Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Kingspire Designs. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be creating this video purposely for those who wants to learn how to blog and they don't have a laptop or a system to make use of. This video is actually for you because as you can see, I'm making use of my Android phone or my smartphone. So if you have an Android phone and you have a smartphone, good luck, because this video or this tutorial is for you. Okay, the key things we'll be needing in this particular tutorial is your smartphone, your time, and also a Chrome browser. So let's just go straight to the Chrome browser. Let me show you, give you a walkthrough on how we are going to set everything up so that it will look as if you are making use of a system to do your blogging. Okay, now go to my Chrome browser. Now as you can see, when I enter blogger.com, if I should enter blogger.com is going to come up. This is how your screen will look like. Now in case, okay, this is how your screen is going to look like. What you're going to do, you are going to click on sign in if you already have a blog. But since we don't have a blog already, we want to create a new one. I'm using Blogger because Blogger is very easy, even for those who don't have much idea in how to do this. Blogger is very easy for you to handle and manage. That is why I'm actually going to be teaching you how to use Blogger. Alright, we will now click on create your blog. Now when you click create on this create a blog, it's going to require you to sign in. You have to sign in with a Gmail account. In case you don't have a Gmail account, you know where to go to. You come to create a Gmail account and click on sign up. You create a new Gmail account. Now I'm going to enter my own account, my own Gmail account. I already have one I'm using already, so I'm going to just enter it. Just enter that's Kingspire Online here. Then sorry, it's not complete. Just enter your Kingspire Online. Then like I did, I enter my own email. Then you search through. Is going to request you to enter the password. What you just going to do is to enter your password, and then you just sign in into the account. Once you sign in, you can see this email has a blog already. That's why it's going to go straight and open up the blog out for me. So in case you don't have your own blog, or I'm going to still show you how to create your own blog if when you don't have any, because mine right now is going to open up. Save password. You can see I'm having save it as save password. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do, since it should open a new blog, I'm going to come to create a new blog. Now what is the name of the blog? What's the name you want to be using? And if in case your phone or your layout is not showing like this, the only thing I want you to do now is to come to this place on your browser. Come to this icon where you have this three dots close to click on it and ensure it is on desktop view. If it is not on desktop view, you make sure you tick it. Like now, mine was already on desktop view. This will allow the phone to load as if you are using a laptop. So it's a kind of an alternative. You are seeing the laptop desktop view of the entire site using your Android phone. So as I said, enter the title. What do you want to name the blog? So let me say I want to name his as um let me use Kings. I'm going to leave it as King's Thoughts. Then the address, let me also make use of something that is related to, okay, you can see I'm having it as King's Thoughts. The address, we all definitely have .blogspot.com because you have not yet bought this domain. So that's the address, Kingspet, King's Thoughts at. Then, and you can see from here it is available. You can see that it's available, that is why it ticks good. So now the next thing you're going to do is to select a theme. What theme do you want to use? Let me assume I want to use this. You can scroll down and see several themes you want to, you can select from. You can select anyone. I will show you in my other tutorials how to select a particular theme and edit it yourself. Okay, let me assume I'm picking this. Then I click on create a blog. So after doing this, you just wait for it to open up with your blog fully set up. You can now see this is your blog. You now have access to your blog from here straight away. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be showing you now, how do you want, in case, how do I know if my blog is actually working or this? The best thing, only thing you need to do is just come to view blog. When you click on view blog, when you click on view blog, it's going to come up. This is an open up your blog for you. This is how your blog looks like. It's very empty because there's nothing on it, but I assure you, you've already gotten your own blog website or blog site, as you can see. Now for you to see the desktop view, as I said initially, now you realize when I come here, I'm not viewing it as desktop. The desktop is not ticked because I'm viewing it now as mobile view. So you need to see the web version of it. Either clicking your to make things easier, click on desktop view. So now this is the desktop view. This is how I'm supposed to see my blog each time I am using Blogger. This is the way a system the laptop or system you are expected to be using supposed to show you. This is how everything is going to look like. Okay, in case you have, I believe from here now you can actually navigate and go back. You saw where I went to this navigation bar where I'm having 10. You can see I'm having like 10 tabs. Yeah, so just click on it. You can switch to any of them if you are using a phone. Okay, in case you want to learn how to actually start turning this particular blog into something bigger, you have to make sure you watch the next or the previous video. This video I actually make it for those who are using their cell phone in general to use, in case you have any issue, because from here now everything I'm doing here now will work exactly even when you are using your laptop. So from here you can actually, the rest of my tutorials might be on while I'm using my laptop, so don't panic. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing you're going to do. It's still the same thing you're going to do. So don't just panic. Everything will go smoothly for you. In case you want to add a new post, just for you to come here, come to new post where you have your new post, come there, click on it. It's going to pop up, and when it pops up, it will allow you to enter a post. You can see I can viewing everything as if I was using laptop. Now you can come to this place. Let me zoom it out so that you see it clearly. When you come to this arrow here now, this tiny arrow, you can see how you can set up labels, several things you can do once you are this with this. So don't panic in case you are saying, oh, I don't have a laptop. There's no need. Your phone will work for you exactly the same way your laptop is going to work for you. So I believe this is where I'm going to stop for today's tutorial. For those in case you need more on this tutorial, you can always, even without me, go back and watch my previous videos on how to blog section. And also you can always ask me a question each time you are confusing anything. Don't rush too fast, just get what you want to get. I'm going to, you can see I told you before, I'm going to be showing, like now this is my own blog I created, Crown Explicit. You can actually go to that site and see for yourself. And just log into now. This is my Crown Explicit blog. So now you can actually come, like as I said, this is my blog now. So I'll be teaching you how to set and open up your blog up to this particular extent. Desktop view of it. Right now we're viewing the mobile view. Should in case you are viewing, this is how you're going to see everything, but this time around let me show you the desktop view of it. It's going to be like this. Desktop view, click on desktop view. This is how the entire my blog, how it looks like when you are making use of your phone to view it as desktop. This is how you're supposed to see everything on the computer, so you can navigate through and see. So I'll be teaching you how to create this amazing site on your phone. It's a very easy thing to do. All right, for today's tutorial I end here until we meet next time, where I'll be showing you everything gradually how to create everything like this. Thank you.